Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Roblox Error Code 0 Authentication Failed. And right now, as you can see, I'm currently on my desktop. So the first step here is currently clearing the cache inside Roblox. And how to do that is basically go to your search bar, type in run. You should see this application. As you can see right there, there is a specific code we need to run with. Again, that will be %logo, local app data, %logo. Click OK right there, and these are gonna be everything that is inside your games. For example, you have your Activision there, BattleEye, Nvidia, Nord, Discord, Epic Games, and so much more. Every application on your computer is the location for their cache. So let's just look for Roblox. And there we have it. Basically, you just want to delete this option. Like so, waiting for it to delete, and then just run Roblox one more time, and I'm sure it will now work properly. Now for some reason, let's just say it's still not working. The second method for you is basically uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. To uninstall, there are very many ways to do this one, but the fastest for me is typing here, add or remove programs. Like so. And with this, type in here the list of the games. For example, you type in Roblox right there, type it right here, click on uninstall. So after successfully uninstalling Roblox, just go to the website itself and install it. Now I'm gonna go to the website right now and I'm gonna show you where to install it. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is gonna be the website where you want to reinstall or install Roblox. So this should be the landing page you should be seeing or you're in also. So after uninstalling it, simply reinstall it and you'll be good to go. Now for some reason, you're still experiencing some problems on your end. The only thing I can recommend now is basically restarting your computer from scratch. So to restart your computer, simply go to the Windows button right there, click on the power button, and click on restart. And with that being said, turn it off, give it a good 5 or 10 minutes, and turn it back on. And now, for some reason, after all of those 3 steps are done and still not working, now you just need to know right now that it might not be an issue with you, with your computer. It might be that the Roblox servers are down. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.